welcome back to another video, traders. And if you're new here, I'm TJ. We got a great video for you today, so stick around. And if you want to follow me on Twitter and Instagram so you know whenever there's a new video, go ahead and check those links below and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, guys. All right, let's get into it. Today we're looking at ElectraMeccanica Vehicles Corp. Solo, S-O-L-O. We're on a 4-hour, 180-day chart. The keys for me on this chart are these three levels here. We have a $6 level, 922, and 13.6. Now this is the previous high from this summer back in July. On the last earnings report, this came out early November. We had a huge pop after a week or two or so. I mean, there's initial pop breaking to a new all-time high, a bit of consolidation, and then immediately continuation out to 13.6, and that was just too much too fast. You know, it doesn't take scientists to understand that. So we consolidated back, initially bounced off the 50 and came up, got rejected here around this level, and that's where we have this 922 level. So after a few months of consolidation down into this support, right around the beginning of this year, we started working back up. And we've had a few nice little pops, each time getting rejected at this 922 level. And most recently, last week, actually breaking through briefly before coming back down into the growth trend line. So what that tells me, number one, is people like this name. Obviously, people are bullish on EVs this year. That's why we saw this initially. But these three pops that we've seen on this uptrend, it tells me people want to see this thing go, and it's just going to take a little bit of time. So now that we're starting to get closer into this support, and what we saw over the last couple days, or yesterday and today really, was a very nice move. We came pretty much right off the trend line all the way out and above this level up towards 974, and then after hours and pre-market and today very early kind of slammed back down into the support line and eventually started working its way back up. And I think this is really just a preview of things to come. As you can see, in the next couple of days, this trend line is going to take us right into the support, and I think it's just a matter of time before we get out and above that. And when we do get above this support at 922 and establish, I think it's just a matter of time before we start working back up towards this 13.6 level. You know, these pops that we've seen, it tells me that it wants it. It wants to go. It's just being held down by this level. So once we get out and above that, I think we might see a little bit of momentum start to build here. But I mean, this last earnings report and this big move, it tells me people like this name. People are bullish on EVs. It has the legs to go. And after a little bit of time and consolidation, starting to trend back up again, I think we're eventually going to establish above this 922 level and start working back towards 13.6. One thing to watch out for is the next earning report is going to come on March 24th. But for right now, holding this uptrend, seeing higher highs, higher lows, and getting ready to break above the support line and look for more on Solo. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions, comment below. I read all the comments. And if you want to see more videos like this one, make sure to subscribe. And if you haven't already, check out my other channel, Charting Trends for Trading Tesla. We do Tesla analysis over there every day. So if you like my analysis or you follow Tesla, check that out too. Thanks, guys.